So my next course will be Namaste. The highest job offer that I received was, when is Namaste DSA coming in? How much do you make right now at Namaste Dev? Are you married? Let me show you a photo. This is how 100,000 people in real life looks like. Let me show you another photo. This is how 1 million people in real life looks like. Isn't it amazing? Today on my channel, I have crossed 1 million subscribers on YouTube. This is like a dream come true for a teacher. And I never in my life imagined that I would be able to create an impact in so many students' life. It's like a very big dream that has come true today. Today, with God's grace and with the support of all of you, I have got my golden play button. This is my golden play button, my dear friends. And thank you so much. This was not possible without you all. And I have finally got this golden play button. Trust me, right? I never thought I would be able to do it. I am very excited. I am very happy. It is all because of your support and your blessings that I have been able to reach here. Just a heartful thank you I wanted to say with this video. I get so many messages from students. So many people text me on Instagram, LinkedIn, and everywhere. My YouTube comments are flooded. And I get so much love from my students. I don't know how to appreciate this. Now I have become a full-time teacher and I am teaching these students, right? I could not have been more happier than this ever in my life or ever in my career, I would say. Okay, so that's it. Now let me just do a quick fun Q&A. Right, I have collected questions from YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and I will answer all these questions, right? These are the most asked questions to me on social media so that I can share some more news and insight about my new courses and my life updates in form of a Q&A. Okay, so let's just take those questions. So the first question which I have got is, why are you not regular in making YouTube videos, right? When will you upload more YouTube videos? Have you lost the password of YouTube, right? This is a very nice comment that I got. So let me tell you, okay, I have not lost the password of YouTube. I can log in, right? And I keep reading your new comments also on YouTube. But yes, I have not been regular. I accept that. That's my mistake, right? I am uploading videos very less over here. But now, let me tell you that I will be more regular on YouTube. I will try to make more videos on YouTube. I will try to share more knowledge. And for that, I would also request you to comment down every topic that you wish that I can make. I will just come here and make videos on that topic. Okay, so don't worry. I'll be back on YouTube with a very big bang. And I will just keep making videos on a very regular pace. Okay, you'll start, you'll start seeing those videos coming up very soon from this month onwards. So let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Now let me move on to another question. The other question is, what is your next course on namastedev.com? Okay. So let me tell you, okay, why I was not regular was, one reason was also that I was focusing more on namastedev.com. For people who don't know about namastedev.com, go ahead, search for namastedev.com. We will give you the link in the description also. But I was planning to launch more courses over here. I built 2 courses over there, Namaste React and Namaste Frontend System Design, and I got occupied in that a lot, right? And I also have built a tech team now where we are building our own tech product, website, and also I was just occupied over there, right? But now coming back to the question, what will be your next course, my dear friend? So this will be a very big reveal only in this video. So my next course will be Namaste Node.js, okay? And I would be covering backend portion of it. Not just Node.js, I would also be covering Mongo.js. Mongo, not JS, sorry. I have a bad habit of putting JS in front of everything. No, sorry. So I would be covering Mongo also over there. And basically kind of like backend, full MERN stack kind of a thing, right? React I have already taught, right? I have already covered Namaste React. So this will be my next course. And now the question continues, how soon will that be? So let me tell you that it will happen very soon, right? I have already started planning things up for Namaste Node. So I can't give you the date because I don't have a date for myself right now. Because see, when you plan a course, right, it sometimes go lengthy. You don't know in which dimensions you have to cover, how much you have to cover. So committing a date would be very tough for me. But yes, probably next month. Okay. So again, fingers crossed. Let us hope for the best. But yes, probably next month. Namaste Node.js. Okay. So be excited. Share it up on social media, your excitement, and spread the word about Namaste Node. It's coming very soon, my dear friends. Okay. So now the other question is, very asked question is, when is Namaste DSA coming in? Sometime back I told people that, okay, I might bring a DSA course also. Then everybody started asking me Namaste DSA and all. But let me tell you, see, Namaste DSA has some problems with it. So that is why I just, stopped. It was not making a lot of sense to come up with Namaste DSA at this point of time. There were few reasons. I will discuss that in some other video. Otherwise, this video will become very long if I tell you my thought process. But yes, so I'm not covering Namaste DSA as of now. But yes, that will come maybe after Namaste Node. Okay, I can't commit to it, but maybe after that. Not coming like very soon. You can't, like, don't expect it to come in a couple of months. No, not right now. Maybe after Namaste Node, I would think about it. Okay. Now, okay, so moving on to another question. So another question is, and it is a very major asked question is, are you married? Right. So first of all, let me tell you, my dear friends, right, right, I am married and I am happily married. I was married last year. So, okay. So I am not looking out for anything. So I am married. Okay. And I am happily married. I have a very sweet wife. Yep, that's all. Moving on to the next question. So the person asks, now when React 19 has come up, what will happen to Namaste React? Are you upgrading the course? Yes, my dear friends. See, Namaste React covers React 18. That was the latest React when I built that course. Now React 19 is in progress, right? It has not launched yet. And according to the news, I think React 19 will be launched by the end of this year. So let us see. We are hoping for the best. What comes in what comes inside React 19. So at that point of time, I would be upgrading the Namaste React course with the new React 19 features also. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you are planning to buy Namaste React, if you want to learn from Namaste React, go ahead and do that. We will upgrade the course with Namaste React 19 also, right? So we will make new videos for React 19, and if required, we will make new projects and something, right? We will see. First of all, let it launch, and we will see, is it a major upgrade? How much of a change it would lead to in development, and according to that we will plan how we need to do. But yes, Namaste React will be upgraded once React is upgraded. Okay, so we will kind of bring the Namaste React season 2. Okay, don't worry about it, and it will be included in your plan. If you buy it today, it will still stay. So if you are hesitating to buy Namaste React, so don't do that. It will be updated by React 19 very soon. Another question is, I am a student, I am a college student, and should I purchase Namaste Frontend System Design? Okay, so I recently started this course, Frontend System Design, me and Chirag, right? So Chirag, if you don't know, is an engineering manager at Microsoft. So he came up along with his industry experience. I came up with my experience, and we both collectively created a very amazing curriculum and started Namaste Frontend System Design. It got a lot of excitement from students, and so many students have already enrolled inside it. But let me tell you, is it good for college students or not? See, the answer is, if you are just concerned about your interviews, then in your interviews for college students, for freshers, front-end system design is not asked. Okay, so if you're just looking for interview point of view, so it does not make sense for you to enroll in Namaste Frontend System Design. But let me tell you, if you are planning, if you are planning to just learn and explore and deep dive into front end, then definitely it makes sense to enroll in it. There are so many college students who have already taken this course, so it's up to you, right? If you're just looking for interview, then probably this is not the right time for you to take it, right? Because in front end system design, we dive deep into front end, right? We have covered so many aspects of front end like security, performance, networking, communication, accessibility, offline support, LLD, HLD. So many things are there in that course. It's like a complete package to take you from a junior engineer to a senior front-end engineer. Okay, so you can think about it like that. So if you are curious, if you want to dive deep into front-end, go ahead, purchase it. Who is stopping you, right? So hope I would have answered that question and made your life easier. Now let's move on to some other question. So other question is, right, this was the most asked question, most upvoted question. Basically, what is the highest job offer you have ever got? What was your salary at Uber? Okay, so again, right, I don't know why, but people just are very excited to know about my salary, what do I draw and all that stuff. Everybody wants to know about my package and salary and money and whatnot, right? Let me tell you, I don't generally share all these things, but then, okay, I thought that, okay, like, what's there, right? Let me share it up. So basically, see, the highest job offer that I received was in 2022, right? And 2022, before, like after I left Uber, right? When I left Uber, at that point of time, I had an offer. So basically, that offer was from a crypto trading platform. I'm not taking names over here. Right? So a crypto trading platform, and the offer was of 1.15 CR. Okay, that included some amount of equity and not equity, basically some amount of shares and some amount of bonus and some amount of your package, right? The salary that you get. So that's how it is. But the total CTC was 1.15, and out of that, the salary was, I think, I don't know, I don't remember the exact numbers, but this 1.15 is the number, right, that I remember. That was it. And what was my salary at Uber? My salary at Uber was slightly lesser than this, right? So this is what the highest job offer I have been. But then after that, I left my job and then I started my own company, namastedev.com. And then that's how my journey has been. Now I have become a full-time entrepreneur, teacher, YouTuber, whatsoever you may call it as, right? But yes, that's how the things have been. Hope you would have now got the idea what my salary and everything was, right? I don't know why people are just concerned about everybody, how much money other people are making. But the next question is, I want to work with you in your company, namastedev.com. How can I apply? So first of all, let me tell you, see, this is so many mails do we get on a daily basis. We get so many mails where people are asking, Akshay, I want to work with you. Are you hiring? See, I am not aggressively hiring. I am not building a funded startup. I don't have a lot of money where I can just hire a big team and then manage everything. No, I'm not doing that. I am building a startup in a very slow, sustained, and a very slow pace. Okay, I'm not in any hurry. I'm building namastedev.com, putting all my own earnings, saving all my own money into that startup, and I am making some money in Namaste Dev and I am reinvesting that money into the business itself so that I can reach out to more people. And I don't want to take funds also. It's not that I'm not getting funding, right? There are so many investors who have reached out to me, so many VC firms who have reached out to me for funding, but I really don't want, I don't even know, right? If I take that funding, where will I put that money, right? I just see, because I will feel pressure, right? If I take somebody else's money. Whatever I am doing right now is all my own earned money, right? That I am putting back into the business, and that's how I want to grow this startup. I am not in any hurry. There is no numbers I am chasing. I am just focusing upon building something which is very valuable for my students, because I want to build a business that is there for long, right? I want to do something. I want to create some impact. And I'm trying to do that. If you can support in that journey, right? I'm not asking you for any donations or something. Just keep sharing about us. Keep sharing about our courses to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues, to your neighbors, right? To anyone on social media. That's all you can do to support us. I'm not asking for any donations. Just enroll in our courses. That's all, right? You also learn. you also grow and help us also grow as a startup and a company. Okay. Right now we have a team of 6 people, right? Or 7. Yeah, 6 or 7 people recently joined. One person recently joined. So now, with these 5-6 people, right, I am building it very slowly. And that's how we are going ahead. And I am not hiring aggressively. Sometimes whenever the requirement comes, I post that on LinkedIn. So stay tuned, stay connected on LinkedIn, and watch out my post. I will talk about hiring and all that stuff if I have to hire other people. Okay. So thank you so much for that. Now, other question is, how much do you make right now at Namaste Dev? Okay. How much money do you make? See, it all depends on how much courses people are buying. It's very variable. It's not consistent. Sometimes it just bumps up, sometimes it just goes down, right? It's very variable, right? But we are happy with whatever we are getting. And I am also happy that I'm not fooling anyone, right? Whatever price we sell at the course price that we have kept is very nominal, my dear friends, according to the content which we give. We also have a 7-day return policy, right? No online course will have a 7-day refund, full refund. We give 7-day full refund, full money back guarantee, right? For our courses. No edtech platform does that, right? They just sell you courses. Once they have taken your money, they will never give you back, right? No refunds. But we give refunds, right? Because we have trust in our content. I trust my content. I have given the best inside the content, be it Namaste React, be it front-end system design, best content out there. So, and at a nominal price. Nobody has ever regretted that, okay, this course is not worth the money they have paid, okay? So you will see the amount of commitment and dedication we have put inside that course, okay? And so you would get to know. But again, so the earning that our company gets is very variable, right? It comes back, goes on. A lot of expenses are also there. Salary of employees, tech is costly and everything. But the salary, okay, so in my company, I am an employee, okay? That's how private limited companies work. I am an employee of my company, right? Though the money is coming to company, but I draw a salary. The salary that I draw is like 2 lakhs per month, right? That is the salary which I take, which is way lesser than what I was making, right? When I was in my job, it is way lesser than that. But 2 lakhs is something which is I'm very happy about, right? This is something which I have said that, okay, even if I make zero money in the company or something, right? Still, I am just making some amount of money, which is like enough for me, right? To sustain. So this is my salary package if you have to ask currently. And about the earning of the company, that's very variable. I think there are more questions over here, but I think the video is going very long. So we can stop at this point of time. Maybe we can do a more Q&A kind of a session, live Q&A session also at some time later. But lastly, I would want to thank you once again for this, my dear friends. This is the best thing I have ever got. It's not like I have not got awards earlier. It's not like I have not seen subscribers or something, but they just, this just feels like it just makes me happy. And I don't even know, right? This is nothing, just it's an award, right? At the end of the day, it's nothing, right? But then this gives you such a great self of achievement, right? It just gives you a sense of achievement, and I can't even express my words, right? In the words, I can't express the feeling. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, to be honest, in this video. But what I'm saying is this is kind of like a recognition, and this is kind of like a, proof that I am going in right direction. Okay. I am able to do something which is helpful for the world, for the community. And I have honestly, with all my hard work, with all my best, I have made those videos, and you have loved it. You have loved Namaste JavaScript. It has, I can't even thank you enough, right? That how much you have supported me in this journey. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share my heart out in this video and answer a few questions that you had. So that's all in this video, my dear friends. I will soon be coming up with more amazing videos. I want you to please Bless me in the comments. I need your blessings in the comments. Also suggest me some topics for my future YouTube videos. Please flood the comment section. Everyone should give me one idea for my YouTube video and I will pick the most upvoted ideas. And thank you so much for learning for me. Namaste to everyone. See you very soon in the next video. Bye-bye.